Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're talking about another firm favourite on this channel, a penny stock that we have covered numerous times, but the good news keeps on coming. We're talking about IZEA Worldwide, ticker symbol IZEA. IZEA Worldwide is probably one of my favourite all-time penny stocks, and it isn't going to be a penny stock for very long at the rates that they are growing. They are growing at exponential rates, and it's still very much under the radar, okay? Nobody's really noticing this one, but the good news keeps on coming, and I'm going to go into some more updates on this today because we haven't spoke about it for about 3 weeks to a month now, and in that time, press release after press release has come out, but I'm just going to touch on my thoughts around this company and where I think this will go in the coming months. If you enjoy all of this, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That is, of course, really appreciated. We also have a Discord where you can join that. Link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. So let's get straight into this without wasting any time. IZEA Worldwide, you must know this one by now if you've been following my channel for a while. This is the social media influencer platform. Influencers join IZEA's platform. Businesses join the platform to try and find an influencer. Basically, IZEA is trying to pair these up together to help promote their company, their brand, their products, etc. And the good news keeps on coming. Since our last update a month ago, this company has put out press release after press release. And this was one of the first ones we got here, okay? This is about a month ago now. Brand Graph reaches 10 million influencers analyzed. So this is massive. Brand Graph is one of IZEA's platforms that they use, okay? Their social intelligence platform. And you can see here that this was launched a year ago now in March 2020. And in that time now, they have now got content from 10 million social media influencers being analysed by IZEA's technology on an ongoing basis. And that is a total of 1.2 billion pieces of content, with new content being added every 10 seconds and brand and classifiers being added daily. So this is good. The more that they can analyse, the better this platform and software is going to perform. That was our first bit of news, okay? Clearly this platform is working, this technology is working, the numbers are becoming absolutely huge. 1.2 billion pieces of content has been analysed by IZEA in the course of this year. The real bit of news I want to show you today out of all of these articles is this. We already know about this from previous, but it keeps on growing. IZEA's managed service bookings reach 45% year-on-year growth to date in Q1. This is absolutely huge. We do not currently have their earnings, okay? This is what the big thing is with IZEA right now. The earnings are not currently out. They are due to be released on the 30th of March. So just not too long away now, 30th of March. However, they are giving us lots of updates and we can only expect these earnings to absolutely smash it. So we can see here, they announced that it's reached a milestone for Q1. And that is 45% greater than all of Q1 in 2020 already. Okay, and they say with 4 weeks of business actively still remaining in the quarter, the year-on-year bookings growth from 2020 previously reported that it has increased 48% in Q4 of 2020 as compared to Q4 2019. The numbers are absolutely smashing it. We already knew that they did better than the Q1 within the first 2 weeks, which is absolutely insane. They've still got 4 weeks to go from the time they announced this, and they're already up 48% in that queue as well. This is massive. I really am looking forward to their next financial results. We can only imagine they're going to smash it. And they say here, the growth builds upon the award of contracts by 2 Fortune 200 companies in late February. So these 2 companies include the top 5 global consumer packaged goods companies, a Fortune 100 retailer, and a Fortune 500 apparel maker. They are getting contracts from Fortune 10 companies, Fortune 100, 200, 500. All of these huge companies, IZEA has been gaining more and more bookings from over the course of the last 5-6 months. Absolutely incredible things right here. Majority of this has come in the last few months, to be honest, as well. So this is very exciting for their next earnings. And they also say that their customer base increased to new record numbers in February 2021, largely driven by signups for their IZEA Discovery platform. Remember, they also recently launched their CHEK as well, their new influencer app, which is obviously going to drive more and more people to their platform as well. So this is massive, okay? They say their team is executing on multiple fronts, and I'm pleased with the momentum we continue to build. That is from the CEO there, Ted Murphy. These numbers are absolutely huge. On top of all of this, this then grew again. I'm not going to read all this out because you can imagine. But this then said Q1 managed service bookings to date surged 60% year-on-year growth. These numbers are going up and up and up. I didn't cover the 40 before 45, but it was 20% before that, 45, and now we have 60. Insane growth. This was on March the 8th, okay? So still about 2 weeks ago, roughly, about a week or so ago. And yeah, 60% now. And once again, this is from more people joining. They say the last 6 months have been extraordinary. That's from the CEO, Ted Murphy. I believe we are seeing a fundamental realignment of marketing strategy from brands spanning virtually all industry verticals. Now, this is not surprised. I said this in my very first stock analysis video of IZEA, which you can check out where we deep dive into this company. This is a growing sector. Everybody's moving to online marketing. People are listening more to influencers, celebrities, social media, etc. And that is the way to go in terms of promoting your products, your brand, etc. And clearly this is a proof of it right here. IZEA is in a field that not many other people are in right now. They are really capitalizing on this. 60% year-on-year growth in Q1. Just to touch on a couple of the other press releases they put out, I'm not going to read all this out, but they announced their CHEK Parade of Stars. So they're doing lots of things in terms of social media and promoting their company as well. This is a 45-day online event featuring social media mega influencers. So it's getting their name out there more, okay? IZEA are really going to get on the forefront of this. More companies are going to be joining them. Following this, they then announced their talent partner program. And then just a day after that, this was 2 days ago, but just a day after that, today, Dash Brand Management joins IZEA's Talent Partner Program. This is one company of many that I can imagine. This partner program was only announced 2 days ago. They're already getting Dash Brand Management here. Dash Brand have over 75 million combined page views and reach 37 million social media users. They represent an extraordinary roster of influencers passionate about creating content covering topics such as parenting, food, and lifestyle. This is a massive, massive partnership for them already. They said, we are excited to further propel the influencer industry, working strategically as a talent partner with IZEA. Now, in my opinion, that is just one of many, many companies. Okay, so that is all the exciting things that come with this company, not to mention the fact that they have expanded out into different continents, different countries, etc. Australia, New Zealand, Southeast Asia, Africa. This is all in the space of literally the last few months. Their next earnings, in my opinion, are going to be absolutely fantastic. And like I say, they are being announced on March the 30th, okay, very, very soon. So with all this in mind, let's quickly look at their stock price. It's been on a roller coaster if you've been an IZEA shareholder. If you bought at the top, you're probably down a bit right now because it did run up to $7. I would not personally worry at that price. I would use this time to average down. It did drop in that course of these last few months. We dropped down to around about $3.30. We have now recovered and we are just over $4. So it's been a bit of a rocky road. I'm actually up massively because I bought in at 172. Originally, this is when we first spoke about these, around about the 170, 180 mark. And I have been averaging up because I do really love this company, but I still have an amazing average. And even at these prices, below $5, in my opinion here, is an absolute steal. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing into a company. But at these prices, I think it's an absolute steal. What you have to consider with this is these next earnings are going to be good. I have no doubt about it. The earnings are going to be good. Maybe not in terms of the profits. I don't know if they're going to be making any profits, but I do believe their sales figures are going to be on the up. Their brand awareness is going to be on the up, and they're going to have a lot of good things to say about this company. However, is that priced in? That's the real question here, okay? Because we have been up 335 and we have seen a run up of 25% in the last couple of weeks. Is that this potentially starting to be priced in? That's what we have to consider, but it doesn't bother me. This is a long-term hold and these numbers are going up. This industry as a whole is going up as well. I think this has a massive, massive potential. That's why it's one of my favorite penny stocks. But like I say, always do your own research. Let me know your thoughts on IZEA. Are you holding this one? Are you waiting out for a particular reason? Are you waiting for the price to drop more? We may see a drop. We know the markets are a bit red at the moment. This could go down further. However, if it does, it's just another time for me to keep buying. That's my thoughts. Let me know your opinion on this one. And if you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. Thanks for watching. And until next time.